Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable the white timer notifications on the WebComics application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Go to the More button next to the Library option at the lower right corner of the screen, and click to the Settings option. And in the Personal Settings section, click to the Push Notifications. And here you can find the white timer notifications, and just tap to the next white circle. And done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.